So now he's going to put the window down and feed them the naan bread, which is in the silver thing there. Get off the bonnet, you shit, and there'll be trouble.
Who will shit?
So where are you going to throw it? Because I have to know where to point them.
Well, if that car wasn't there, I could put it on your side. Get off.
Was he on the mirror?
It was landing on it, look. How are you? You got him?
Yeah.
He's a hummingbird.
So you're going to give them the naan bread?
Oh, I don't know. Do you think they should have it?
Yeah, well, what else are we going to do with it?
Oh, Jesus, you cut it up and ripped the bag up.
I didn't mean to rip the bag up. See, I cut it up ready so we could give it to them.
Jesus Christ. I don't think they like it.
Oh, what happened? What happened?
Get off.
Ah, was it a bird?
No.
Did the bird come in? Oh, he caught it in mid-air. Oh, geez, try it again and I'll get it on film. Oh my God, this is Alfred Hichcock all over again. Yeah, but I know, but it's got to be lower. Oh God, we've got the bloody big one on the bonnet. Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God that's over.